DJI 4 Air Unit Pro, FPV drone revolution with 4K, 120 frame per second, and 15 milliseconds latency. Ever felt frustrated with laggy FPV feeds or blurry drone footage? Drop a comment if you've struggled watching your drone respond too slowly or your recordings come out muddy. The DJI 4 Air Unit Pro might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for, a compact, high-performance unit designed to deliver ultra-smooth live video and professional-quality 4K recording for your FPV builds. Racing against the clock in freestyle sessions or trying to capture cinematic aerial shots can be stressful. Dropped frames and delayed controls ruin the flow. Imagine having a system that keeps you fully in control with virtually zero latency, delivering crisp visuals while letting you focus on flying, filming, or competing. The DJI 4 Air Unit Pro promises exactly that without extra hassle. The DJI 4 Air Unit Pro combines a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view, and 4K, 120 frame per second recording in one lightweight, compact unit, giving pilots cinematic video without attaching bulky action cameras. Its ultra-low 15 milliseconds latency and 1080p at 100 frame per second live view ensure lightning-fast responsiveness for racing or freestyle maneuvers. Imagine soaring through a forest, every branch and gap crystal clear in real time. This is the clarity competitive racers rave about. With a max 15 kilometers transmission range, you can explore wider territories while staying connected. The integrated recording system captures every high-speed loop, roll, and dive, reducing post-flight stress. Hobbyists report effortlessly pairing with DJI Goggles 3 or RC motion controllers, enjoying intuitive controls and seamless streaming. Bonus tip: activating Horizon Steady or RockSteady stabilization keeps footage silky smooth, even in chaotic flights, perfect for cinematic sequences. Whether flying for sport or filmmaking, this unit saves space, reduces setup complexity, and transforms every flight into a precise, immersive experience. The benefits are crystal clear, reliable, immersive, professional quality FPV every flight. Industry experts note that the 4 Air Unit Pro's integration of low-latency digital transmission, high bitrate recording, and advanced sensor technology represents a monumental leap in FPV performance. Professional pilots share stories of executing high-speed maneuvers while watching every detail on 1080p at 100 frame per second feeds, giving them confidence and control unmatched by analog or older digital systems. Technology influencers praise the 155 degrees field of view, saying it mimics natural peripheral vision, making freestyle tricks and cinematic shots feel intuitive. Competitive racers love that the 15 milliseconds latency translates to real-time precision, allowing them to focus on lines and obstacles rather than video breakup. Cinematographers emphasize the 4K, 120 frame per second recording, stating it eliminates the need for extra action cameras, simplifying builds while maintaining top-tier footage. Even drone integrators and DIY builders report seamless installation and compatibility with DJI Goggles 2, 3, and Integra, as well as RC Motion 2 or 3 controllers. The ultralight, compact design means it integrates effortlessly into custom frames, reducing weight and drag. Thousands of FPV pilots are upgrading, experiencing smoother control, breathtaking video, and reliable long-range links. Which feature would elevate your flight? Comment below and join the growing community that's transformed their FPV experience with the 4 Air Unit Pro. Don't wait to elevate your FPV flights. Join thousands of pilots who've upgraded to the DJI 4 Air Unit Pro, enjoying 4K, 120 frame per second recording, ultra-low 15 milliseconds latency, and 15 kilometers range. Limited units are flying off fast, so secure yours today. Click now to unlock smoother flights, stunning cinematic footage, and unbeatable responsiveness. Whether racing, freestyle, or capturing epic aerial videos, this all-in-one digital system transforms your drone experience. Your next flight deserves this leap in FPV technology.